Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new smartwatch video. So Amazfit has just launched their brand new budget watch called the Bip and in this video I'm gonna unbox it and give my complete review on the watch. The watch comes in this sort of box packaging, has Amazfit Bip branding, a picture of the product on the front, and that's it over here. Now talking about the features, the watch is super lightweight and weighs only around 31 grams. It's 5 ATM water resistant, supports sleep monitoring, and talking about the display, there's a 1.43-inch large color display, supports 60 plus sport exercise modes, blood oxygen measurement is also there, and the brand says that this thing offers 9 days of battery life. That is something I'll be able to tell you guys only after using it. So those were some of its highlights. Now let's get started with the unboxing and check out the product. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. There we go. And by the way guys, the watch comes in 3 different colors. The one we have right now is the standard black color variant. So the watch comes in this sort of packaging. At the top there's a small box which includes a user manual. Make sure to read that for all the info. And here's the watch we've been waiting for, the Amazfit Bip. Looks nice! We'll get back to this in a moment. Let's see what else we got in the package. You get a magnetic pogo pin charging cable for the watch and that's it. These were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the watch. Let me just take it out of this cover. Here we go, the brand new Amazfit Bip. This is how the new smartwatch looks like. Let me give you all a closer look. You've got the Amazfit branding over here on the front and comes with a 1.43-inch color display. If you can observe guys, it comes with a 2.5D curved glass on the top with anti-fingerprint coating. Build quality is decent, the body is made of polycarbonate material. But the best part is, in spite of being a budget watch, it's 50 meters water resistant. There's only one multi-function button on the right side and this is how the bottom side looks like. It's got a BioTracker 2 PPG optical sensor, charging contacts, and some info about the product. That's it. Now coming to the bands, the Bip has high quality silicone straps that feel soft and durable. And the good thing about them is, the straps are also replaceable. You can easily remove them and put your favorite ones. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Let me just wear the watch and show you how it looks like. So guys, the watch looks pretty good and also quite comfortable. It's perfect for teenagers but might be a bit small for people with large hands. What I'll do is I'll quickly power it on, set it up, and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. The watch is all set and good to go. And in fact I've been using it for quite some time, so we'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback right now. As usual, the Bip also has raise to wake display and there's only one button on the right using which you can access the menu, go back home, and even set a long press shortcut. And from my first impressions, I have to tell you, the display on the watch looks really beautiful, especially considering the price point. It comes with a 1.43-inch large color TFT touch display with 320 by 302 resolution. Initially, I was a bit skeptical because it's a TFT panel, right? But after using it in person, I can surely say this is one of the best smartwatch display around this price range. The display has good amount of detail, all the text is easily readable, the colors look rich and nice, and the brightness was also decently good. I had no issues even in outdoors. So what I'll do is I'll give you guys an overview on the UI interface and show you all of its apps and features. By swiping down on the home screen, you can access the quick settings page where it shows you all the general info like the date and time, battery percentage, Bluetooth status, and some quick setting toggles like DND mode, alarms, and brightness adjustment. And the last toggle is for the settings, which I'll be showing you later. By swiping up on the home screen, you can easily access the notifications panel, and by swiping left or right, you can easily access all the app widgets which you can customize from the settings. So let me show them to you one by one. First, we've got the activity goal which shows you all your fitness related info like the number of steps taken, calories burned, distance traveled, and the complete weekly analysis. Going next, we've got the heart rate measurement app. We'll get there in a moment. Next is Amazfit Spy analysis, weather app that gives you a complete weather summary for the next whole week, a remote music player to control the music on your phone, and along with heart rate, stress measurement is also available and supports SpO2 blood oxygen measurement as well. So you've got lots of fitness related features on the watch. Well, those were the quick accessible widgets, but if you want to access the complete list of apps present on it, then you can easily do that by pressing the button on the right side. So that is how you access the app list, and by long pressing the button, you can quickly toggle the exercise tracking mode. So let's check out the apps. So in the app list, you've got the activity tracking first, pie analysis, heart rate measurement tab, sleep monitoring function is also available, exercise tracking, which I've shown you just now, SpO2 and stress measurement function, settings app, remote music player. Oh, stopwatch and countdown functions are also there. Then you've got the weather, and in the more section, you've got Pomodoro tracker, world clock, remote camera shutter, find my phone, breathing exercise, alarms. Oh my god, that is a big list of apps and features. The Bip has almost every feature you'd like to have on a smartwatch. Now coming to the sport activity tracking, you'll be surprised because this watch can track 60 plus different type of sports. Holy smokes, that is crazy for a budget smartwatch. Totally did not expect that. All you need to do is just select the sport you want to track, enable GPS on your phone and hit the go button on the watch. And that's it, it'll start tracking all the fitness related info and give you a complete analysis once you're done with the activity. Only thing is the watch doesn't have built-in GPS, so you'll need to use a GPS on your phone, and that means you'll have to carry your phone everywhere whenever you start working out. So those were all the apps and features available on it. Now let me quickly show you the watch settings also. From here you can change the watch faces, and let me tell you, it's got around like 50 watch faces to choose from, and there's a dedicated watch store available on the Amazfit Watch app. On board you can store up to like 4 of your favorite watch faces and change them as per your convenience. You've got plenty of beautiful watch faces in analog style, digital style, customizable modular ones, animated ones, and the best part is you can even make your own customized watch face using a photo from your phone's gallery. Just like this. How cool is that? Okay, let's talk about the heart rate. The HR monitor can be easily accessed from the widgets, and let me tell you, the HR monitor is working very well. It supports continuous heart rate measurement and was giving accurate results almost 90% of the time. Not only that, it can even measure your stress levels and SpO2 blood oxygen levels as well. Great health related features on a budget. Alright, now let me show you how you receive call and message notifications. So whenever you get a call on your phone, the watch starts vibrating and shows the name or the number of the person calling. You can either silence it, cut the call, or even reply with a quick SMS from the bottom. And this is how you receive message notifications. It shows you the complete content of the message along with the name of the sender, but there's no option to reply to the message. So guys, we are almost coming to an end. Let's talk about the battery life. The Bip comes with a 230 mAh lithium polymer battery, and on a moderate kind of use like automatic HR measurement on, always connected to your phone via Bluetooth, light sport activities every day with the brightness set to 50%, then you can expect around 7 to 8 days of battery life. But again, if you use the watch just like a normal one with all the smart features turned off, then you can easily expect around 10 to 11 days of battery life. Well, that's it for today. That was my video on Amazfit's new Bip smartwatch. Hands down, this is the best budget smartwatch I've used till now around this price range. It's got great display, supports wide variety of health and fitness related functions, it's 50 meters waterproof and offers decent battery life. I've got nothing to complain for the price. It costs around 3,999 rupees in India, but during this festival sale, the watch is available for only 3,499 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.